أهلا ومرحبا. Hello everyone, I am Ahmed Muhyiddin and this is a new lesson of Mohii Arabic Solutions. Today we're going to speak about the names and the sounds of the Arabic alphabet in MSA Arabic. Last time we did the names of the alphabet, only the names. Today we're going to add the sounds. We're going to speak about the plain sounds with no formation, with no fatha or dhamma or kasra, nothing. Just the sound of the alphabet. I want you to listen to me, see how my mouth moves, and repeat after me. And I will be trying to go as slow as I can. Alif, A, Alif, A, Ba, 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 Ta, 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 Fa, 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 Jeem, Jeem, Ja, Ja, Ha, 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 Khaa, 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 Dal, Dal, Da, Da, Val, Val, Va, Va, Ra, 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 zain, zain, za, za, sheen, sheen, sa, sa, sheen, sheen, sha, sha, sad, 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 saw, saw, daad, daad, da, da, thaa, 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 zah, 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 aien, aien, عا عا غين غين غا غا فاء فاء ف ف قاف قاف ق ق كاف كاف ك ك لام لام ل ل ميم ميم م م نون نون ن ن هاء هاء ه ه واو واو و و ياء ياء ي ي. Okay, everyone, this is it. I just want you to listen to what I said, follow my mouth and tongue, and repeat after me. Replay the video as much as you want, and hope to see you soon. Don't forget the share and the like and the comments and everything, and I would love to listen from you soon. And wait for the next time where we will be discussing the shapes of the alphabet. As we said, every letter have a name, sound, and the shape, and by knowing the shapes we will be able to read inshallah soon. Thank you very much. Hope to see you soon. Shukran. مع السلامة. مع السلامة.